For example, the King James Version of the Bible, which was published in 1611, reflects the language and worldview of early 17th century England. While it remains a beloved and influential translation, it is also shaped by the political and religious context of its time. By comparing it with other translations, such as the New Revised Standard Version or the New International Version, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the Scriptures. In addition to exploring different translations, we can also benefit from studying the original languages of the Bible. By examining the Hebrew, Aramaic, and Greek texts, we can uncover nuances and subtleties that are often lost in translation. This can help us to better understand the original meanings and intentions of the biblical authors. Another key aspect to consider is the role of personal interpretation and reflection. The Bible is not just a historical document or a collection of ancient texts. It is also a living, dynamic source of spiritual wisdom. Each of us brings our own unique perspectives, experiences, and insights to our reading of the Scriptures. By engaging with the Bible in a personal and reflective way, we can uncover new meanings and applications for our own lives. For example, when reading the Psalms, we might find that certain passages resonate deeply with our own experiences of joy, sorrow, or longing. By reflecting on these passages and considering how they relate to our own lives, we can gain new insights and inspiration for our spiritual journey. Similarly, when reading the teachings of Jesus, we might find that certain parables or sayings speak to our own struggles and aspirations. By meditating on these teachings and considering how they apply to our own lives, we can gain new clarity and direction for our spiritual growth. It's also important to recognize that the Bible is not just a collection of individual books and stories. It is a unified, coherent whole. The various books of the Bible are interconnected with themes, symbols, and motifs that run throughout the entire text. By studying the Bible as a unified whole, we can gain a deeper understanding of its overarching messages and themes. For example, the theme of covenant runs throughout the entire Bible, from the covenant with Abraham in the Old Testament to the new covenant established by Jesus in the New Testament. By examining this theme in its various manifestations, we can gain a deeper understanding of the nature of our relationship with the divine and the commitments and responsibilities that come with it. Similarly, the theme of redemption is a central thread that runs throughout the entire Bible. From the story of the Exodus in the Old Testament to the teachings of Jesus in the New Testament, the theme of redemption speaks to the possibility of renewal, transformation, and liberation. By exploring this theme in its various expressions, we can gain new insights into the nature of salvation and the paths to spiritual freedom. In addition to these overarching themes, the Bible is also rich with symbols and metaphors that convey deeper spiritual truths. By studying these symbols and metaphors, we can gain new insights into the nature of the divine, the human condition, and the spiritual path. For example, the image of light is a powerful symbol that appears throughout the Bible. From the creation story in Genesis, where God says, "Let there be light," to the teachings of Jesus, who declares, "I am the light of the world." The symbol of light represents divine presence, truth, and enlightenment. By reflecting on this symbol and considering how it applies to our own lives, we can gain new inspiration and guidance for our spiritual growth. Similarly, the image of the tree is a recurring symbol in the Bible, representing life, wisdom, and connection with the divine. From the tree of life in the Garden of Eden to the tree of the cross on which Jesus was crucified, the symbol of the tree speaks to the interconnectedness of all creation and the possibility of spiritual renewal. By exploring this symbol and considering its various meanings, we can gain new insights into the nature of our own spiritual path. As we continue to explore the deeper meanings of the Bible, it's important to remain open and curious. The Bible is a vast and complex text with layers of meaning that can take a lifetime to fully uncover. By approaching the Scriptures with humility and a willingness to learn, we can continue to grow in our understanding and appreciation of its profound wisdom. In conclusion, the true meaning of the Bible is far richer and more complex than we might have been led to believe. By delving into the historical context, exploring the cultural and religious influences, examining different translations and interpretations, and engaging in personal reflection, we can uncover the deeper spiritual truths that lie within its pages. These truths have the power to transform our lives, guiding us towards greater wisdom, compassion, and spiritual growth. So let us embark on this journey of discovery together and uncover the profound wisdom that the Bible has to offer. It's also important to surround yourself with positive influences. The people, environments, and media you engage with all have an impact on your consciousness. Seek out individuals and communities that uplift and inspire you. Create spaces that nurture your well-being and promote growth. Be mindful of the information you consume and choose content that aligns with your highest values and aspirations. By doing so, you create a supportive environment that fosters your evolution. As you navigate this journey, remember that you are not alone. There are countless others who are also awakening to their true potential and contributing to the creation of the new earth. Seek out like-minded individuals and communities where you can share your experiences, insights, and challenges. Together, you can support and inspire each other, creating a powerful network of conscious beings committed to positive change. It's also important to stay open to new ideas and perspectives. The next level of consciousness is not about rigid beliefs or dogmas. It's about expanding your awareness and being open to the infinite possibilities of existence. This means being willing to question your assumptions and explore new ways of thinking and being. Embrace a sense of curiosity and wonder, knowing that there is always more to learn and discover. One of the most profound aspects of accessing the next level of consciousness is recognizing the interconnectedness of all life. This means understanding that your actions have a ripple effect that extends far beyond your immediate surroundings. When you act from a place of love and compassion, you contribute to the collective well-being of all beings. This awareness inspires you to make choices that are in harmony with the greater good, creating a more just and sustainable world. As you continue to expand your consciousness, you'll likely find that your sense of purpose becomes clearer. You may feel a strong calling to contribute to the creation of the new earth in specific ways. This could be through your work, relationships, creative pursuits, or acts of service. Whatever form it takes, trust that your unique gifts and talents are needed and valued. By following your heart and living in alignment with your purpose, you become a beacon of light and inspiration for others. It's also important to practice self-compassion on this journey. Expanding your consciousness and stepping into your role as a portal to the new earth can be challenging and sometimes overwhelming. There will be moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty. During these times, be gentle with yourself and remember that you are doing the best you can. Celebrate your progress and achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Trust that each step you take is bringing you closer to your highest potential. As we come to the end of this exploration, I hope you feel inspired and empowered to step into your role as a portal to the new earth. Remember that this journey is not about perfection or achieving a final destination. It's about embracing the process of growth and evolution, knowing that you have the power to create positive change in your life and the world. Trust in your innate wisdom and potential, and know that you are an essential part of the collective awakening. In conclusion, you hold within you the key to the new earth, the next level of consciousness. By cultivating mindfulness, letting go of limiting beliefs, connecting with others authentically, nurturing your inner world, and embracing change, you can access higher levels of awareness and contribute to the collective evolution of humanity. Remember to set positive intentions, practice gratitude, surround yourself with positive influences, and stay open to new ideas and perspectives. Recognize the interconnectedness of all life and follow your unique purpose with love and compassion. And most importantly, be kind to yourself on this journey, celebrating each step along the way. You are a powerful and radiant being, and your light is needed now more than ever. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being a part of the new earth.